Hello, welcome to Armchair Artist. I'm Denise Johnson, and today we are going to play with permanent markers. And these are a Cali Art Markers brand. Any brand will work. You don't need these, but these are really good and they're pretty reasonably priced. So I'm an alcohol ink artist, and this is one of the ways that you can play with alcohol ink. I have this is called a aqua brush or water brush. It's used by watercolorists, but I fill it up with alcohol. So this is my paintbrush that I use when I paint with alcohol inks. So to use the permanent markers, I'll take this red one and I'm just putting color down here. I'm not drawing anything. I'm just getting color down on the paper. And this piece of paper is actually photo paper, and it is the back side of photo paper because the back side of photo paper is non-porous, and that's what alcohol inks like to play on because they can move and run and don't soak into the page. So let's put some more color down. These will be the leaves, greenery, and I like orange. Orange is one of my favorite colors. Okay, let's take our water brush, aka alcohol paintbrush, and I'm squeezing this and I'll get some alcohol to come out of it. See it coming down here. And then I'll just start moving the inks, just dipping and dabbing and moving that color around, blending it a little bit. Alcohol inks are magic. They're very wild and crazy and hard to control, and that's okay because that's where the fun is, where you're out of control. Clean my brush off a little bit. So you can see you don't need to be drawing anything. I don't draw very well. A little bit more greens. That's so pretty. So easy to do. Like I said, any kind of markers will work. Colored markers, most of them are alcohol based. So it's like alcohol ink in a marker. And this is a real nice way to play with alcohol inks if you're traveling or you just want to go outside. You don't need a whole big setup to do it. Okay, this, I think I'd like a vase. Let's do a vase. To do that, I'm just going to draw it. That's pretty turquoise, isn't it? Very pretty. And then I'll go back in with my pen. Oh, I had some pink on there. That's okay. I don't waste ink. I catch all my drips and everything on a piece of paper towel, and I can use them as collage paper or covers for journals or whatever I want. I'm going to squeeze this a little more, get some good amount of alcohol out of here, and then I'm just going to let it move on its own. Alcohol inks blend so well. But you have to let them do their thing too. Don't try to control them too much. I often say that painting with alcohol inks is like a beautiful dance. Sometimes I lead, sometimes the inks lead, and when we dance together, we make magic. And it dries very, very quickly. It's up to the camera. Isn't it pretty? And I didn't really draw anything. The only thing I sort of drew was the vase, and that certainly doesn't take a whole lot of artistic skills to do that. So now I'm going to go on the outside of it, and this is going to push the inks back into the shape of the vase there. And I'm not opposed to using my fingers to paint. Play like a 5-year-old. That's where the fun is. It needs to be sitting on a table. Now this photo paper is a Canon, and it has, or no, HP Hewlett Packard, has a very faint logo on it. I don't let that bother me. It's real easy to cover up with just a dab of alcohol. Well, let's put a little bit more color on the table here. What color should we use? Sometimes when I can't pick a color, when I can't decide, I will just close my eyes and let it rip and see what happens. This is a, they don't really have names of the colors. This is a R427, whatever the heck that means. That's pretty. Just do a little bit there and then blend it out. And see how you can get the shape back. Just move the inks around. Looks like water, doesn't it? I'm going to bring that up here. Give a little color to the background. There. I think I'm finished. These don't take very long at all. And they're so much fun to do. Probably my favorite thing when it comes to alcohol inks is doing these florals. Yeah, that one's done for the day. Thanks for joining me. Denise Johnson, Armchair Artist. So I'd like to take a moment to tell you about my teaching platform, and you're welcome to leave. You don't have to sit here and listen to my commercial, but if you'd like to, that's cool too. I have a teaching platform, and I have about 50 videos in the membership there where you can learn more about painting with alcohol inks, and also you'll learn about the technique that I came up with called LOVE, Love, Lines of Vibrational Energy. It's a drawing technique that is very, very healthy to do. It can give you a lot of benefits. It's relaxing and calming, can lower your blood pressure. It's just a host of health benefits to this technique. And if you're interested in that, you can go to my website, artfulearth.com, artfulearth.com, and it has the link there that'll take you to my teaching platform and everything else that I have to offer. I have an Etsy shop, and so that link is there as well. Facebook groups, the whole shebang. you'll find in a list on my website. And I hope you come and visit me. So that's the end of my spiel here. Have a beautiful day, and I hope you'll try the alcohol inks. Thanks for watching.